How to download Windows 10. Search Download Windows 10. Click on the Download Windows 10 disk image link. Scroll down and click on the Download tool now. It will download Setup for Windows 10. Open it and accept the terms and conditions. If you want to upgrade your current PC, then select the first option. If you want to download the ISO file, then select the second option. Now select Language, Architecture, and Edition and click on the Next button. Now click on ISO file and click Next. Select the file where you want to save the ISO file. It will start downloading. It will take time depending on your download speed. Your ISO file is ready. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.